Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose General Management, Samsung Keyboard Settings, and scroll down again. Then tap on Theme and tap on the best one for you. I will go with Light. Now when I click Home button and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to try something new, you can always go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Gboard. Then install this free app from Google Developer and open it. Then click on Enable in Settings, tap on the switcher next to Gboard over here, choose OK and click on the back button. Now tap on Select Input Method, choose Gboard over here and tap on Done. Then close Gboard app. Following that, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose General Management and click on Gboard Settings. Over here click on Theme. And now you can click on Show More and pick one of those by tapping on the best one for you, like that one. Then tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to switch them on or off and tap on Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into the same settings and customize it by tapping on this plus icon under My Themes. Then selecting a photo that you wish to apply, pinching it to scale and dragging it to move. Following that, choose Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Now click on Done and enable all disable keyboarders by choosing this switcher. When you're ready, click on Apply and tap on Home button. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!